Greetings people, this is Keith Modesto doing my Let's Play Minecraft series using the Forge mod loader and the Direwolf 20 mod pack. And we're here at my quarry. The last episode I made this chest. I made some binding chest seals, I think that's what they're called. So this chest is connected to a chest that's upstairs, so that everything that enters this chest, which is mostly ores, but also some other things like Certus quartz and amber blocks and all the things that you can find when mining, they all end up in the chest and then get imported into the AI system. Now, so the things like iron ore, gold ore, silver ore, they're all in the AI system now, but they're not being processed into actual ingots, and that is what we're going to take care of today. And while I'm here, I'm going to grab this and put this down. That's where my cobblestone goes. So every once in a while I come down here and I grab one barrel and put in the other barrel, and then I take this barrel and I put it right here. So the cobble falls into the hopper and the hopper feeds it into this chest where it gets compressed. I was planning on making another set of chests with a different color chest seal, so that this chest would be connected to a chest down there in place of the barrel for the cobble, right? But I'm kind of low on rotten flesh from zombies, and you need that to make the you need rotten flesh to make the wax that you need to make the seals. And so I need to make a zombie spawner, or a spawner, and I'll make zombies, of course, along with everything else. A mob spawner, mob grinder, but I guess that'll have to be... there's so many things to do, so I don't know. That'll probably be the next episode, but there is something else I want to do too. But anyway, that's in the future. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to put in place the things that automatically process ores that end up in the in our system here. It looks like another one of our things are filling up. We still have 4 totally empty ones here, but we got this. It used to be that 63, 63, 63. None of them are full, but 5 of them have used up all the types. Well, anyway. Okay, so we got to make some things here. First, we're going to start off by making some 2 sag mills and 2 alloy smelters. So if I type in sag, you see these are the things we need. We're going to need machine chassis for all of these. So we might as well go ahead and make 4 of these right now. 1, 2, oops. So I need more of these things. Oops. That should be enough. Okay. So how many of these? I think I have. I think I only made 1, didn't I? 1. Yeah. So we need. Oh. So we need 3 more. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, that take care of that. And so we need 2 pistons. 1, 2. And that should be everything. 1, 2. So we got 2 sag mills, right? Now we want 2 alloy smelters. So I need, I probably don't have, I already have 2 furnaces, so I need 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I need 2 of these. Okay. And then I should have 2 of those. Alright. So that's good. Now, I'm going to want to have 2 chests. And we need some item ducts. So I'll just grab some of those. So that's going to be more than we need, I believe. And then we need, just for the sake of things looking halfway nice, or actually, well, for aesthetic purposes, I'm going to do this. And it's almost dark, so let's sleep through the night here. Not that anything should spawn inside, but Well, actually, it being daytime wouldn't change that anyway if it did. Okay, so I'm going to place these kind of on the wall, mostly because I want to save cabling. Once we have, you know, in a little while, this kind of thing won't matter so much, but I'm still kind of want to be a little bit careful. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is put, let's see, best, probably what would be good is if we have these chests not too far away from the cabling here. So we'll put one chest here, and then I'll put the other chest there, and then we'll put this here. I don't know if we need that much, but okay, so then I guess, will that work? Will that do what I want? I'm just thinking about how to do this. I guess we can just go on the top. Maybe I should just forget about these planks. They're gonna. Yeah, let's. I'm not gonna forget about. I'm not gonna worry about it looking aesthetic, and just stick them to the wall. And maybe I'll put these here later when I. And I know something I can do. We'll worry about this some other episode. Okay. Okay. So the sag mills. We can put them right next to them. That's fine. And then, actually, and I should leave some room because I might add more, but I think the 2 will be enough. But I'm gonna leave room there to add more if I want to. Okay. So, and these should not have anything configured yet, right? And that's the way I don't want anything, yeah, by default. Okay, so then we're gonna run I'm gonna move one of these. I'm gonna move one right here. Okay. I'm gonna have item ducts here, 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 and here. Oh, I guess I do need one there. Okay. And then we're going to have, I guess, I should have grabbed, well, there's some other things they need, so I'll grab them too. I should have grabbed some energy conduits. I'm not sure how many energy conduits have, but I think I probably have enough. We probably don't need those anymore, but I'll keep them anyway. Okay, we have plenty of these. And then we need some cables from Applied Energistics, because we got to get this stuff, the ores, out and the ingots back in. And so we need an import bus and an export bus. So first we'll do the import bus. And what, I'm missing this, so I need to make that. Okay. So we got one import bus. And then we need an export bus. There. And while we're here, we need we need a capacity card. Let's see. So I need to make this first. And then we have a capacity card. All right, and that's all we need. Yeah, I don't think we need another one for the import bus. Okay, so I guess I need my wrench. This one. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to have cable coming down. Maybe, I guess I need to grab something out of here. I need it'd be a little bit simpler if I could get up a little bit here. So we'll do this so I can reach. Okay, now yeah, so we're gonna put see, so the import bus pulls things back into the network, and we'll put that one here. This doesn't matter a whole lot where we put them, and this one puts them into the network, right? And then we attach a cable here, and that should attach it right into the system. And we gotta go check something. Now, it used to be that you could like kind of do unlimited. Oh, cool. AI's changed since the last version, and you can only have up to 8 connections that use data in your AI, in your network, your matter energy, whatever it's called, network. And after, if you have more than 8, then it won't work until you get a central processing unit, a controlling unit, whatever it's called. And I haven't made one yet. And in fact, I'm missing some of the resources I need to make it. They're being made right now over there in that puddle, but they're not ready. They're not going to be ready for a while. But okay, but we're still under 8, so that's good. That's one reason why I'm using these chests with these import buses instead of making, you know, an import and an export bus for each machine, because if I did that, I'm sure I would run out of channels and I wouldn't be able to do it. So okay, so the export bus is, we need to put that capacity card in the export bus. So that we'll have, oh, we need 2 capacity cards. Ah, I forgot about that. Okay, I think we have enough to make another one though, so we're okay. Don't do that, please. This one. Yes, cool. Okay, you know, and while we're here, we should get the ores we need. Ore. So we want tin. We want silver. We want shiny. We want lead. We want ferrous. We want copper. I'm not going to worry about aluminum right now. There's so much aluminum. I'm not going to do diamond this way. And actually, let me check on uranium. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, so uranium. If I put this, what I want to know is if I'm going to get, see, if I put it in a macerator, I get crushed uranium, and I don't want that. Pulverizer would give me yellorium, and what I want to know is the sag mill. That also gives me yellorium. Okay, so I do want to grab uranium. Ready to go. Ugh. Okay, so we do want uranium. Okay, so, and we definitely want yellowite. I don't have any gold in here yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, I might have too much to fit in there. That'll be annoying. I'll have to make another export bus if that's the case, and that might make too many channels for me. Okay, so I put the other capacity card in here, and we'll start off by putting iron in there, and then copper, and then tin, and then ferrous, and then shiny. And uranium. Oh, we do have enough room. Cool. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What am I missing? What am I missing? What did I put in? I didn't put in silver, probably. I didn't put in lead because I started with the iron. See, so I don't have enough room for gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is very annoying, but we'll have to take care of that later. Okay, so this had actually already been filling up. It's already exporting things. We could also use an acceleration card, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. Put these other things in here. And, okay, so now we need to get the stuff into the sag mills. So, and that's what these things are for. And actually, I think I need a filter. I need some filters. need item filters, and I'm gonna need 4. Oh, I need some more hoppers. 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be enough. Okay, 4 of these. Oh, and so I need those ores back. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me get my wrench. So let's see, this is the sag mill, right? Yeah. Okay, so this is going to be insert, and we want to put a filter in there. Oh, well, that's not enough. Well, I have 2 sag mills, so I guess I could split it up. That'll have to work for now. Okay, and so, whoops, that's not what I meant to do. I didn't know you could even do that. Cool. Okay, so we'll grab, for this one we'll grab, where's my iron? We'll grab an iron, and lead, and copper. How many can I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Okay, so iron, lead, copper, uranium, and yellowite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is a whitelist. So put iron in there, lead, copper, uranium, yellowite. And then this one will be insert also. We'll put another filter in there. Actually, you know, I didn't need 4 filters. I only needed 2. Okay, and I might not have needed this, actually, because if I just insert everything, I don't think it would be able to insert things in there. Let me pull this out. I think that filter is saved. Why isn't it inserting anything already? Because I'm not pulling anything here? Extract. Actually, it should be pulling things out if we're going to. So maybe it's because this needs to be set to have for the bottom to be able to pull. I thought you didn't need to do that. Maybe because it doesn't have any power. That would be odd, but maybe. I didn't want to have to do this. I thought the pipes, let me power this thing up and maybe that'll, don't do that. Oh, I don't want that to connect. There. Oh, we don't need that anymore. It's getting power. It's still not pulling anything in. Oh, that's probably why. There we go. That's the reason why I wasn't pulling anything. So I don't need filters on there. It's just going to pull whatever will fit, which is fine. Cool. Okay, so now we need some place to put these things. Actually, I need this to be push-pull. Let's see. This, it needs to be a different channel. Yeah. Does it need to be a different channel? I could just make this a different channel. So, extract. We want this to be push, brown. What? Okay, that doesn't do what I want. Brown, okay. Yes. In, out, brown. Insert is brown. That doesn't matter. Extract. I don't need it to extract, actually. So we make this insert brown. That's what I want. And then I haven't done this complicated a thing before, so I'm a little bit not knowing what I'm doing. Okay, so this is going to be in, out, and in is going to be Oh, it's already doing it. Oh, that's not what I want. That is not at all what I want. My timer. Oh. I'm running out of time. I need to disconnect this. This stops happening. There. Thank you. Okay, I want to finish getting this done before this is full. That's good. Okay, that's good. What I want is... I don't need these here anymore. They're in my way. Okay, so things are being inserted in here. I want to pull things out. Right, so now what is doing that? So this, I don't need to worry. I'm not gonna... I guess I need a different color, so I'll choose red. So, and this has to be push-pull too. In, out. In is green. Insert. Extract will be red. Or I guess blue will work. Okay, and we want it to always be always active. Blue. Insert is... I don't need that anymore. Is green. That's fine, because this is... That's green. That's good. Okay. Now, this will also be in, out. Insert is green. Extract is blue. And it's active without signal. Always active. Is that what this was? Yes. Okay, so that should be fine. Then this I want to be in, out. And then insert is going to be blue. And party doesn't matter. Okay, and then this in, out. Insert is going to be blue. Right. And then extract is going to be brown. Oh, and they need it to be always active. Right? Right. Okay, so now whatever its process should go over here. And this actually, well, what is it? Oh, this is insert only brown. Okay, that's fine. So I should be able to reconnect here. These things. And this should only be getting stuff that this is pushing out, which is going to be all the pulverized stuff plus cobble. We don't really care about cobble, but it's going to happen anyway. And this, I need to turn that on. There we go. Okay, now it's working. So things that end up in here should automatically get pulled out. There we go. So there's stuff, and it's getting pulled out. Cool. Not too quickly, but quickly enough. Alright, so the other thing I need to do, and I guess I can see if I can do this. This shouldn't take too long to craft, and then we'll wrap up. And I guess this episode is probably going to go a little long. Took longer. I hadn't done that much configuration with Ender IO pipes before, so I was like, I guess I should have practiced it in my test world so I could do that more quickly. Okay, but we want to put some capacitors in those things. So we want these. Let's see how many we can make. I've got too much stuff in my inventory here. Okay, so well, I guess I could have done that. So I got 2. I need... What am I... Oh, wait. Okay, so I need some more of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just make 4. Okay, so that's more than I needed. That's fine. Okay. So these will speed up. These will speed up how quickly this thing processes stuff. It won't speed it up as much as if I put the third tier, but that takes a lot of resources, and I don't want to do that right now. All right, so this should be going down faster, although we're not going to see anything because there's lots of stuff in the A system for it to process. So is it doing... Oh, is this... Oh, it's full. these gotta catch up. These gotta, maybe I need another, maybe I should make another, maybe I should make another alloy smelter, because this isn't keeping up. I could make it so that it automatically, you know, import the pulverized stuff out of these things, and have the A system import them in here, but that would use up another channel. So I didn't want to do that. But it'll eventually it'll get through all this stuff, and it'll catch up. Oh, that's fully this is full. Oh shoot. That'll help. I'll get rid of that. Okay. Okay, so this is full of yellorium. That's one reason why. Yep, so I probably should make a couple of more alloy smelters. That might help. But I'll do that off camera, and I'll tinker around with that until it's working really well. Of course, it'll work fine once the backlog of ore is processed. Anyway, so that's done. And so the next episode, well, I need to make a spawner, a mob grinder, so that I can get rotten flesh, a good supply of rotten flesh, because, well, I need some to make wax to make more seals. But also, I've got, you know, when you do Thaumcraft and you have lots of warp, there's these things that happen, and one of the things that happens is kind of gross, but you get this unnatural hunger, I think it's called, and to stop it, you have to eat rotten flesh. So I've been, you know, every once in a while it happens, and so I have to eat rotten flesh, and so I don't actually have much in here, you know. I don't go out killing zombies very much. Just every once in a while they show up, and so I kill one. So I need to have a mob grinder so I can get that and other things. And there's other things you can do about warp. I got to do that too. Well, anyway, we got to wrap things up. Next episode, mob grinder. This has been Keith and Modesto. We automated ore processing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.